Shifting our focus now to a subject that has often troubled Indians here in the United States, the renewal of H-1B visas. Prime Minister Modi addressed the Indian diaspora yesterday and left the crowd cheering with some good news. Prime Minister Modi announced that people will soon be able to renew their H-1B visas without traveling to India.
अब ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि H-1B वीजा को रिन्यू करने के लिए आपको अमेरिका से बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा.
A pilot project will start soon and Indian nationals will be included in the project. The aim essentially will be to implement the program for a large group of H-1B holders in 2024. And the program will also include L1 visa holders. People use L1 visas when they transfer within a company but to a position in the US. But will this project truly help the Indian Americans? You see, every year, the US gives 65,000 H-1B visas to companies seeking skilled foreign workers. And those visas are valid for 3 years and then need to be renewed. Earlier, H-1B visas could be renewed within the United States. But after 2004, workers with the H-1B had to go back to their country for renewal. Imagine traveling for several hours just to get a stamp on your passport. And from this new move on the renewal process, as a result of this, thousands of Indian professionals will be able to continue with their jobs without any hassle. President Biden and Prime Minister Modi also emphasized that mobility of professionals is crucial for bilateral economic collaboration. And let's just remind you, Indian citizens have been the most active users of the US H-1B program. Indians made up 73% of the nearly 442,000 H-1B workers in the year 2022. Indian citizens have faced a ton of difficulties to get a visa to live in the US. In April, over 10 million jobs had stood open in the US, but Indians could not fill up the positions. On the other side, thousands of H-1B holders in the tech sector have been laid off this year in the US. And to help the cause, Prime Minister Modi announced that 2 new US consulates will open in Bengaluru and Ahmedabad. And on a similar note, the US will also open a new Indian consulate in Seattle. And all of this is a part of the People-to-People initiative. The initiative came out of a bilateral meeting between the two leaders. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.